Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a clear readout of your Apple iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. If you have problem with that device, and you cannot enter into the system by using Apple devices and a wired connection and unlock your phone, then maybe this is not possible. You should perform the restore mode or the backup something else mode for this. How we reach this area? We have to get a connection via a cable. And then we have on the left side, volume up and volume down there, yeah? And on the right side, we have the power button, okay? Now we are going to press volume up, volume down, power button until we reach the special hidden feature mode of the iPhone, yeah? Volume up, volume down, power button. While we have connect this to a USB source and our Apple devices app is running there. Yeah, so keep pushing. I keep pushing now the power button. Keep pushing until you will see this on the screen. Okay, now we are in restore mode. Yeah, okay, good job. We are now in restore mode. And if we are in restore mode, you can see on the screen there are some information. Let's zoom in a little bit. So here we are. There is a problem with the iPhone that requires to be updated or restored. Yeah, that's right. Because of this, we are in restore mode, yeah? That means the problem may be fixed by updating our iPhone, which preserve our settings and content. However, if updating doesn't work, it may be necessary to click, of course, the restore way, which erases all settings and content. If we back up this phone again, we can make this out of the cloud after this again. We will property to restore the backup onto this, but we will need our iCloud password if Find My has been enabled, of course. So now we go to update first. If this is not a solution, we make restore. Are you sure we want to restore the iPhone into factory reset? Yes, all our media and other data will be erased and the newest version of the iPhone software will be installed. Let's perform this now. So you can see now it will be download it out of the internet and we will get a brand new version of the iOS. And it will be then make a clear hard reset of our device there. That means restore. It will be restore our device, and after restore is done, we are able to make a clear setup again. And after this clear setup, we can, of course, we can't use our phone again. This is a good solution way if you have forgotten your passcode, for example, or of course you have trouble with the software, and all software-based problems will be fixed after this process. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. You see now it's preparing, and after preparing there will be the setup again. Yeah, sun.